Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to stream YouTube on your Discord. So first of all, open the YouTube video which you want to stream and now go to your Discord server and click on voice channel, screen, click on Chrome tab and now select your YouTube tab, and you can take this option to share audio tab and click on share. And as you can see, I've successfully started streaming my YouTube on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.